Hey everyone, welcome back to the Palace of Polish. I'm Heather. In today's video, we'll be talking about cuticles and cereal. That's right, two things you probably didn't know go hand in hand until today. When we do our nails, our cuticles really take a lot of damage, either from the drills, the files, the acetone, the alcohol, and all the other chemicals that we use to do our nails. Cuticle oil helps replace some of the nutrients that are lost during this process. I'll teach you how to make a custom cuticle oil that smells just like a freshly opened box of cereal. If you'd like to find out how I did it, then stay tuned. Okay guys, so as I said, we will be making a homemade cuticle oil today. And this is going to be a quick video because it's not a complicated process, and I will leave links in the description below for the products that I'm using. You will need a cuticle oil pen, and they come like this. The brush will be turned upside down because once you've put your oil inside the pen, this clicks into place so that you don't have any leaks. So we're going to set that aside. You will also need an oil. I'm choosing jojoba oil today because it is full of nutrients and very good for your cuticles. This is a good all-around oil for your skin, and your cuticles will definitely thank you for this. And for the scent, I'm using this Good Essential Fruit Cereal Oil, and it really smells like Froot Loops. Oh my goodness, you guys, you don't know. I wish that you could smell through the camera just how amazing this stuff smells. It was $4 on Amazon. It was so worth the money. Seriously, you guys, even if you're not going to make a cuticle oil with this stuff, you can make bath bombs, you can make lotion, you could even put it in a bottle and spray it on yourself. Trust me, this is so amazing. Okay, so we have our pen open, and the oil, now this one comes with a dropper. This one does not. So what I did was I simply poked a little hole in the top there so that it's easy to put into our pen. And you'll see just how easy this is. Now remember to leave a little bit of a space because we don't want to run out of room for our Froot Loop oil. So just keep putting this in there. It only takes a few drops of the scented oil, so you can see that that's just got a little bit of space here. And a good way that you can tell is to put this up next to it, and you'll see how much of a gap. Sorry, I can't really turn it sideways or it will flood everywhere. Okay, so let's just set this here. We're going to be very careful. Don't want this to spill. Okay. So we're going to take our Froot Loop oil and just squeeze it, suck some up in there, make sure to get any excess drips off in the side of the bottle, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. You can use more if you want to, but guys, I'm telling you, the smell is so strong. It really does not take much. And then we're going to click our brush in place. There you go. And then we're simply going to turn the end until the bubble disappears. It's almost gone. And there we go, you guys. Did you see that? We've got our oil coming out the end. And that's all there is to it. And then it's ready for your fingers. Oh my gosh, you guys, this stuff is smelling up the room. When I first got the Froot Loop cereal scented oil, you could literally smell it as soon as you opened the box. It had not leaked. It was perfectly well sealed. It came with a cap like this with a little rubber stopper in it, and the dropper was to the side, and you could still smell it through the glass bottle. It smells so good. And there's your homemade cuticle oil pen. These would make great Christmas gifts. Also, it's great to spoil yourself once in a while. So if you're interested, I will leave links in the description box down below for the products that I used. And if you like this video, please like. Please consider subscribing if you would like to see future videos like this. And leave a comment if you have an idea for a future video. Thanks. Bye.